So we're getting on another Royal Caribbean ship, Independence of the Seas. It's the first time I'm on it, but you've been on it.
It's my second time. Tom Joyner, Fantastic Voyage 2024. This is E&T Fantastic Voyage 2025. So there it is. And of course, what are you going to do today, Napoleon?
I feel like I wanted to go. We're about to get on. It's a few more stops.
Here's your favorite part. Crossing the threshold, you're almost there. You are now on a cruise. There you go.
It's a little different. We're not getting directly on the boarding, right? Okay, well, that was uneventful. But let's go do our muster. I know muster.
Muster!
On the beach. We found our muster station. We're in the Star Lounge.
Super cool spot. Actually was super cool during the Tom Joyner Fantastic Voyage. They had some of the artists perform here. I think Ralph Tresvant and a couple other people. Super cool. So good spot for some good entertainment. Think we are ready to go to the next spot. Think we need to find our food. No, find our room and then go get some food, right?
Yeah, let's find our room.
Okay.
Oh, wait. So I purposely booked this room in a weird spot. It's forward. It's right in the center. I wanted to kind of see what it's like to be in a very forward room. We've never did that before. Okay, let's go.
All right. So, this is one of the few times where I've been on a cruise ship before Ernie. I was here for the Tom Joyner Fantastic Voyage last year. Had a great time. I mean, it's a really nice ship. A lot of nice amenities. And looking forward to hanging out on the Independence once again. Good time, and the pizza is also very good. I don't know, they just not sure what they do, but it's really good.
Just one or two?
Yeah, just one is fine. Thank you.
This is good stuff.
I don't know if there's space back there.
So once again, for all guests who have not
So this time, before we even found our room, we had to find food. I'm playing the part of Ernestina. Let's find food first. So we got it, and we'll take it to the room as well. Good.
This is nasty.
Is this the pizza dance?
Touching you. Sweet Caroline. Ba, ba, ba. Never seen
So good. So good. So good. So good. So good.
high and inclined. Ba, ba, ba.
I think they were talking about the pizza. It tastes so good. So good. So good.
So far, ba, ba, ba. So far, this is the first Royal Caribbean pizza that's actually really, really good.
I told you for some reason, because I've been on maybe 3 or 4 Royal Caribbean ships, and Independence has the best pizza.
Find our room. We're far away. I'm still 9232.
Right there.
Yeah. Oh. Yep. Wow, it's tiny. It's tiny. But at least there's a sofa. You know. And what else we got? Oh, and there's a curtain. I mean, like, you can do this. You know? Like it. At least there's that. Oh, but it doesn't go all the way.
Wow.
Well. So I don't know what the purpose of that is, but.
What's the bathroom look like?
Oh, let's see.
Okay. Smaller than our last.
Yeah. But on the bright side, it's a door and not a curtain.
Right.
It's interesting. Okay. And then, is this the only closet space? And look. Yeah. Guess this is the only closet space.
That's what we have.
But
Okay.
it's large enough.
Yeah.
So I need to look up when this ship was built. Because clearly
I think it's older.
it's clearly older. I wonder if it was like early 2000s. You know what I mean?
Well, we'll see.
I have to look it up. But it definitely gives older vibes, yeah.
Oh, well.
Okay, so what's up next? Oh, sail away is at 4:00.
Okay, so we'll see. Be back for Sellaway?
Yeah.
All right, signing off. Where are we going now, Napoleon?
Wherever I feel like I want to go. Gosh.
And where's that?
We're going to the Lido deck for a sail away party.
All right.
And it's let's get loud, let's get loud. They better play that song because it's titled Let's Get Loud. So
It's got to happen.
it's got to happen.
It's got to happen.
I don't know if we're going the right way. Well, I guess we'll find out.
Where we're about to go, Jeff?
The sail away party.
And what's the thing?
Let's get loud, let's get loud.
May I?
Excuse us.
Yes? They probably do have what's called low balance. Everybody, who's ready to party?
I think we found it.
Squeeze, right out of the line, everybody. excited. We miss you, everybody. Look, it's time to party right here. This is your Let's Get Loud Sail Away party. Is anybody's birthday or more, everybody? Well, I need to see those people on this dance floor right now. As we have our Let's Get Loud Sail Away party. Good DJ, please!
The music stopped!
It's okay. It'll be right back. It'll be right back. All right. Here comes the music. Sail away party style. Independence of the Seas. Ernie and T. Let's go.
Well, come on, everybody. Let's come down. It's time for the Cuban Shovel. To the front.
I'm shaking it, I'm shaking the city like class. Hands blowing the face like I'm drinking the case, so let's take it. I'm drinking the case.
So I'm going to the ice skating show because he's got to work.
I've got work to do, so.
Yeah. So I'm going all by myself, but I'll film it.
You'll film it for me?
I'll film it for you so you can get to see it.
Promise?
Okay. See you later. Bye.
All right. See you when you get back.
Okay.
Okay.